With over $50 billion in private investment along the Port of Corpus Christi, industrial and petrochemical jobs are some of the hottest careers in the Coastal Bend. Del Mar College offers workforce credentials, certificates, and degrees necessary for you to be a part of that growth. These are just some of the technical and workforce career opportunities waiting for you in the Coastal Bend. Industrial machinists go by lots of names: fitter, mill hand, grinder, toolmaker, or manufacturer. Whatever you want to call them, they operate machines and computers that create precision parts used in the manufacturing, refining, and construction industries. Technology is changing this industry drastically. In the Coastal Bend, over 500 people are needed to program computers, monitor the process, ensure safety, and check the exactness of the final products. Del Mar College offers both an applied science degree and certification program for those looking to enter an industrial machinist job. Over 8,000 skilled tradespeople are currently employed in the region, helping move the economy of the Coastal Bend to new heights. With a progressive outlook of steady jobs, great salaries, and promotion opportunities, do you have what it takes to start a career as an industrial machinist? Go to delmar.edu or upskillcoastalbend.org for more information about this and other careers.